Good morning, everyone. Now, hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, and this is Mommy and Katie. Yeah. Oh, it's a bit windy.
Yeah.
Yes, it's so windy today.
I got my hair Lala.
Today, what's today, darling?
It's your birthday.
It's my birthday. Yes, it is my birthday. Today.
I got some high fun for Caitlin and Jasmine.
Yeah, and then some of her friends will be coming. We're gonna have just a simple lunch and then cooking some barbecue. So I'll see you guys later, okay? Yeah. Yummy! We're having a Barbie chicken wing. Yan. Looks yummy. Then we're gonna put some sauce. I made a special sauce. Look at my brush. It looks funny. It doesn't have much hair left in this brush anyway. Good morning, everyone. Today is my birthday. I'm getting old already. No, I'm 38. And we're having a barbecue. Friends will be coming later. And it's a simple lunch. Now it's the barbecue time. It's pork barbecue here. Yummy, look at them. They grizzle and they sizzling. You can hear the sizzle and the sizzling. It's a yummy. Let's have a party. Stop with. It's not this goes down this there. Oh, why did it goes like that? Some reason I don't know. Yeah. That one. Oh yeah, that's a battery, obviously. Yeah, it's got positive and negative.
Yeah,
so that's the battery. Lift it up, I think. It's like a clip.
Mom, why is flat? Why is flat?
That one that is it. Push it, Daddy.
Why is flat, Mommy?
Oh, no. It's just flat. We haven't used it for 1 week. Shouldn't be, right?
Hi.
Shouldn't be.
Oh.
Oh my God.
No, don't put your hands in there. No, we haven't used it for. Haven't used my car for 1 week because we've been using the territory.
That's for holding.
And now it's flat. Totally
Mommy,
flat.
this is for
Shouldn't be
holding.
happening with my Mazda.
Mommy,
Hey?
this is for holding.
Yeah, watch out, darling. You don't want to put your head in that side. Let Daddy do the job.
Why is so flat?
We're using this type of battery charger. That's how you put it in there.
Daddy,
Yep.
why you not wearing the red one?
And that one in there. Oops. Should I move away just in case?
No.
It's gonna flick. I'm scared. I'm a lunatic.
So that button.
68%, yeah. It's only 68%. Can it manage?
Right.
I hope so. We have this jump start battery that's
Is it
it's on.
still on?
Yeah. Try it. Oh dear. Can handle. It needs 100 at least.
Hi.
It won't handle. Maybe it's removed. Do it nicely there. The other one too.
I moved this one.
Okay, do it again. This is a good one. That one is really good. So you have to charge that one. That's a lifesaver. There you go. There she started again.
Mommy, local song.
It's a local song.
Yeah.
Who sing it, Katie?
No, it's on my phone here.
Okay, can you do a
Hello,
sample?
Sando, gonna collage. Hello, Sando, gonna collage. Hello, Sando, gonna collage. Hello, Sando, gonna
She's wearing her brother's short, size 4.
And shoes.
And shoes, that's size 12. And she's only 3 years old, 3 and a half. Lunatic.
That's why I'm wearing it. That's why I got long legs.
You got a long legs, like daddy long legs? Oh, you're gonna be a boxer? You want to do taekwondo? Because you're doing swimming now.
Do you want to listen to my song now?
Yep.
Little sailor gonna go there. Little sailor gonna go there. Little sailor gonna go Dutch. Little sailor gonna go Dutch. Little sailor gonna go. Guess. Freeze! 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 Stop! Freeze! Stop!
Lunatic.
Again.